Thanks again for watching my previous video, another great turnout reaching about the same amount of views but much quicker. And I got Sonicwall President and CEO Bill Connor to actually like and share my video. Of course, he has nothing to do with the increased amount of views that I got on the previous video, nothing at all. Today, I want to touch on another challenge of having a safe work from home setup. How do you get your employees to use their own untrustable device to work from home while keeping your network safe? I'm sure you've heard of BYOD, bring your own device. Well, what I'm about to talk is the next generation of BYOD. It's called, well, I call it SHWYOD, SHWYOD for short. Stay home with your own device. The only difference is you don't bring your own device, because you're home. So you stay home with your own device. SHWYOD. Oh, creating a popular hashtag has always been in my bucket list. So by the time you see this video, hopefully I'll have managed to create it on LinkedIn. So if I get 50 followers to follow the SHWYOD hashtag, I'll get my son to give me an haircut, because I really need it. So, how can you get those highly feared, vicious, and candidate for World Guinness record for quantity of browser toolbar type of PC to connect safely to your corporate network without spreading all the valuable viruses they managed to get throughout the years? Many will use the simple VPN client from their firewall. Preferably, you don't want to do that, as this is pretty much the same as throwing an infected machine in your network. That would be one of the best ways to get your network down. Also, you may not want to install a VPN client on a home and unmanaged laptop. If anything stopped working on that laptop, it will be your fault, because you installed something that broke the laptop. And trust me, you don't want to become the IT help desk for this laptop thingy. Fortunately enough, Sonicwall have a solution for this. It's another great value of the Sonicwall SMA. You know, the same device I keep telling you about over and over again lately? It's a dedicated work-from-home appliance that can sit behind any corporate firewall running as a physical appliance, a virtual image, VMware, Hyper-V, or a cloud instance in AWS or Azure. So employees take their never-known-to-be-clean home laptop, open the web browser, and do vpn.yourdomain.com. They enter their username and password. Also, please do yourself a favor, use multi-factor authentication on the SMA because we all know what those glorious 16 toolbars can do. User get presented with a secured web portal. As you can see, no client to install, maintain, or troubleshoot. It's clientless. And they do not have a VPN. They are just presented with a secured web interface. If you choose to offer remote desktop, it's actually delivered in a secured web interface using HTML5. It is not the RDP protocol, so all the vulnerabilities that exist on malformed RDP requests are not available to be exposed on the untrusted home PC, as again, it does not have an RDP session to the server, but a secured web session to the SMA. The SMA is the one having the real RDP session to the server. SMA sort of act as a translator, taking the RDP session it has and presenting it in a secured web interface. As an admin of the SMA, you have deep control over what's allowed in that RDP session. You can block file transfer, you can block cut and paste from the local machine to the server, making sure that no dangerous content can be exchanged. Do you have a Mac or a Chromebook computers? Who cares? Again, it's not remote desktop, it's HTML5, so it works with anything. Anything that can browse the web, it works with an iPad too. Next, they may want to access the file server so that they can download common files like Word and Excel document and work on them while they are home. It's usually a big no-no. Last thing you want is an infected machine to have a map drive to a file server. Same story as remote desktop. We have a secured web-based file transfer, meaning that the threatening home PC does not have a map drive access. The SMA does. And it's presenting it in a secured web page to the personal laptop. On top of that, when files are sent back to the file server, the SMA is going to scan them with Capture ATP to make sure they're clean. First through the Sonicwall deep learning algorithm, machine learning, and then sent to over 60 well-known antivirus engine. And if this is a never seen before file, The file gets sent through 4 different sandbox engines, each based on different technologies. File get delivered to the file server only when we have a green light from all those security layers of Capture ATP. Now that's some serious security for the BYOD. I hope this was informative and funny at times. As I said in my previous video, work from home is here to stay. For health reasons for the next so many months and for convenience after. Work from home is a new norm. So please do yourself a favor and get properly set up if you want to avoid malware making their way into your network. We have this product for small and medium businesses going for 5 users, 10, 50, 100 users, and we also have it for large enterprise with 500 or 500,000 concurrent users spread around the globe. We have it, no problem. If you would like more information about the Sonicwall work from home solution, including its amazing BYOD features, and if you want to try it free of charge for 30 days, give us a call. We're here to help. Oh, and I forgot, I want to say thank you to BYOD Informatique who allowed me to borrow this laptop. Thanks, guys. I'll make sure to return it promptly. Thank you so much. So thanks for watching and have a great day.